Happy Thursday, everyone. I've had a few parents emailing me asking ways that they could help their student with math and kind of how math is running this year. And so I figured if they were asking, maybe other parents were asking as well. So I just wanted to send you a quick video kind of explaining how math runs, and also what you can be doing at home to help your student. So basically, I try to spend 2 days on every lesson. So the first day they come in, we take our notes over the lesson, we complete problems as a whole group, and then we work the problems on the board so we make sure we can see the correct work being done. After that, they have time to complete their homework in class. Typically, they should have enough time. The next time they come in, it's an independent work day basically until they get pulled up for small group with me. And so the students will come in. The first thing they need to do is Extra Math. Extra Math is an online application that works on math fluency skills. Just drill and kill on how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. A lot of our kids are testing out of that. So once they're done with the Extra Math, then they go into IXL. IXL is a very neat program. It's research based, it's proven to have results, and each of the kids has taken a diagnostic test which tells us what grade level they're at, and then they have that independent work time to work on their grade level to fill in those missing gaps. And in the meanwhile, then I pull up small groups to work a few problems individually or in a small group with the students, and to go over their homework. That's why it's important for them to get their homework done, even though I don't count it on the report card, is if I don't see their homework, I have nothing to go over with them. And that IXL time is counted as a grade because I need to ensure that the kids are doing what they're supposed to be doing during that independent work time. And then after they've had enough time to do Extra Math and IXL, then they have time to do a puzzle, a kind of a riddle, working more problems. They have a few minutes to do that independently, and then they have some time to work with partners on that. So that's how math runs in a day. A couple things I do want to make sure, if your student is struggling with math, this is what our IXL looks like. This is my version. Yours would be a little different. You can have your child do the recommendation wall. That's going to be where they fill in the missing gaps of what they're learning or what they didn't learn. And then if you go to Still in Learning under Skills Plan, you'll see the textbook. So you can go to our textbook, which is Big Ideas, and of course they're in 6th grade, and you can click on the chapter and this lesson we're on, and it will provide practice problems for you. You can always find out what we are doing that day. It is on our homework calendar, and of course it's in Schoology in our Life Ed folder, and that homework calendar is where you go if your child has missed a day. It will tell them exactly what to do. That is one way you can help your child. Another way, they can go into their Math Schoology course. We just got done with the Unit 1. You will see all the lessons for in Unit 1 here. They can rework the lessons we did in class. And then I have test study materials down here that are extra quizzes that they can go through, extra lessons that they can go through to help them. And then if they didn't, when we test and they don't do as well as they wanted to do, you will always find their retake proof in here as well. And then also don't forget to be going to Infinite Campus to make sure you are up to date with your kids' scores, and that's where you'll see if they're missing any assignments or how they're doing. So again, those are a couple things that you can do to help your child in math, and hopefully this will answer any questions you have about how the day is running for us and what's expected of your child. All right, tomorrow's Friday. Have a great weekend.